So, what are the basic human aspirations which we need to have, and how should we prioritize them? So, our basic aspirations are happiness. So, this is mutually fulfilling. Okay, and second, prosperity. This is also mutually prosperous for us. So, happiness is ensured by the relationship which we have with other human beings, and prosperity is ensured by working on our physical facilities. So, basic happiness, how do we get it? By with the people among us. And how can we say we are prosperous? By the amount of physical facilities which we own. So, how much, how less, we have already discussed in these previous segments. So, to give a more clearer picture of how human aspirations are, and what right understanding do I need to have to fulfill basic aspirations, I need to know what is right understanding. So, right understanding means the highest order of our human skill. So, what is our basic primal understanding of life is learning. Okay, what do we do as a human being? We learn, and then we utilize our intelligence effectively based on what we learn. So, right from your childhood, when you were born, you were in school, then you went to high school, then you are in intermediate college, and now you are in your degree, and then you would pursue your post graduation, PhD, and so on and so forth. And also throughout your life, every situation in your life becomes a basis for you to understand life. And how do you understand life? By learning, constant learning, and by gaining intellect on all of the learnings. So, this is one part of the equation. The second is good relationships. There has to be interpersonal relationship with a person, and that is how you build your life. And that interpersonal relationship could be at home or at the workplace, college, in the place where you stay, society, nature as a whole. So you need to have good relationships for your human aspirations to be successful. So first you need to have a right understanding, second you need to have good relationship, and finally physical facilities. This includes the physiological needs of individuals and indicates the necessities as well as the comforts of life. So necessities are, I mean, we've learned it in school and college, roti kapda makan. We need a place to stay, we need food to eat, and we need clothes to wear, and so on and so forth. So these are necessities. We need water, we need food, we need a place to stay. But what are comforts of life? Do we need comforts? Do we need a car? Do we need a luxurious house? Do we need a tablet phone? Do we need a mobile phone? Do we need the various, we need to go to a mall? Do we need money to spend on exotic TVs, holidays? All these are also essential. As you keep progressing in your life, as you keep earning, as you keep your life some validity, you also need some comforts of life. So this means the feeling of being able to have more than the physical facilities than it is needed. So this forms a triangle, guys. So at the top you have, at the apex, right understanding, and at the bottom two, the full triangle. At the left or the right you can have the relationship, and at the right you need to have physical facilities. So right understanding at the top, relationship, physical facilities. So in order to resolve the issues in human relationship, we need to understand them first. And this would become possible only if you understand the right meaning of relationship. Similarly, in order to be prosperous and to enrich yourself in nature, we need to have the right understanding. And when I say right understanding, it enables us to work our requirements for physical facilities and hence correctly distinguish between wealth and prosperity. I have dealt on this particular topics beforehand also. With nature as well, we need to understand the harmony in nature and how we complement this harmony.